You take David to be your lawful wedded husband. Do you promise to love and cherish in sickness and health, for riches and for poor, for better and for worse, forsaking all others? Keep yourself only unto him, for so long as both you shall live. David? Do you take Bernadette to be your lawful wedded wife? Do you promise to love and cherish her in sickness and health, for riches and for poor, for better and for worse, and forsaking all others? Keep yourself only unto her for so long as both you shall live.
I do.
Do you together promise, in the presence of God, your friends and family, that you will at all times and in all circumstances conduct yourselves towards one another as husband and wife?
Mama.
I do.
Mommy.
Do you together promise you will love, cherish, and
Mama.
respect one another throughout the year?
Stay.
Then with the power invested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife
Mama.